RCdiy. Stay safe and have fun.
Some time ago, I came across this handy device that you plug into your set-top box or your computer, and you can use any infrared remote with it. It's called Flirc. It has software for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You use the software to configure the commands you want this little infrared receiver to recognize. You can pair it with any remote you have in the house. You launch the software and follow the instructions provided in the wizard. You can even program in keyboard shortcuts. It has built-in presets for many of the popular set-top boxes such as Boxy, Kodi, Windows Media, Media Keys, and FireTV. It even has presets built into the Logitech Harmony remotes. Once you've added the device to the Logitech Harmony remote, you can customize and assign the keys as to your liking. Here's a demo of me using it with the Plex media player. Please like, subscribe, become a patron, and follow the links below.